Hello student, welcome to the electrical machine lab. Today we are going to perform plugging of induction motor. We are going to perform this practical on 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor. What we are really going to do, we are reversing the phase sequence of the supply of the motor running at the speed. The reversing of the phase sequence can be done by interchanging a connection of any two phase of stator with respect to the supply terminal. Then what will happen? The machine operation will be shift from motoring to the plugging. In this method, we can see that the torque is not zero at the zero speed. That's why when motor is needed to be stopped, it should be disconnected from the supply at or near the zero speed. Otherwise, what will happen? Motor will be rotated in the reverse direction because the torque is not zero at zero speed. As a result, motor first decelerate to zero and then smoothly access into the means rotate in the opposite direction. Procedure to perform this practical: first of all, connect this motor to the supply in the plugging panel and keep knife switch in the position, means in the normal run. Switch on the main supply. Motor will run at no load with the rated supply voltage. Open the knife switch. Then what will happen? Motor will start to reduce with the time. Note the time t1 required to drop the speed of AC motor to the zero. Now switch off the main supply. Repeat the above step 1, 2 and 3 again. Now again change over the switch, knife switch from normal run to the plugging position. So now what will happen? The phase will get changed. The phase will get reversed. Motor speed will start to reduce with the time quickly. Note down this time T2 required to be it to zero. Then switch off the main supply. This is very simple and easy practical. So the apparatus required is a 3-phase induction motor, plugging panel and tachometer. This is the panel on which we are going to perform the practical. Here there is a RYB phase supply. Here is the main MCB. And here there is the inbuilt dual starter, start button and stop button. This is the inbuilt dual starter. And here is the power supply output. We can take the supply from here RYB phase. And next to this is the knife switch. This is a knife switch. Okay. Upper side is the normal run and below side is the plugging mode. When we'll bring this knife switch to the downside, it will goes into the plugging mode. This is the plugging mode. And voltmeter is mount on the panel, ammeter, and this is the terminal box of the motor. And this is our motor, induction motor, on which we will perform the practical. This is the terminal box of the motor. Here it is the R1 terminal and here there is a R2 terminal, Y1, Y2, B1 and B2. This terminal box is useful for the connection for making the star or delta connection. Now I will make the connection of the motor in star. I will do the star connection. And this is the nameplate details of the motor. You can see it, induction motor. Okay. RPM is 1400 and 415 voltage, 3-phase, 50 cycle, 1.5 kW and 2 HP motor is. This is very simple and short diagram, circuit diagram of our practical for the plugging 3-phase induction motor are already connected in star, and this star point is connected to the panel. R is connected to R, Y is connected to Y, and B is connected to the B of the panel. Now, but I will show you how to make the star connection, and then we will connect this star terminal to the panel's RYB terminal. Now we are going to make the star point. So R2 terminal of winding R and Y2 terminal of the winding Y and the B2 terminal of the winding B, we are connecting to each other, we are shorting it and making a star point. So this is the terminal box, R2 terminal, Y2 terminal and B2. We will make the star point here. So I am connecting one wire to R2 and another end of this wire to the Y2 terminal. And from Y2 terminal I am taking another wire, the other end of this wire I will connect to the B2 terminal. So our star point, star connection is ready. Now I will connect the R1 terminal of the terminal box to the main panel R phase. Then I will connect Y1 terminal of the terminal box to the Y terminal of the supply terminal. Now I will connect B1 terminal of the terminal box to the B terminal of the supply. So our connection is now ready. You can see it. Our connection is ready. How beautiful connection it is. And we need to do the connection of dual starter because dual starter are inbuilt in the panel and its connection are already done inside the panel. Now we are going to switch on the three-phase supply, but before that we should sure that is knife switch should be at the normal run. Knife switch should be at the normal run position. After confirming this, we will switch on the main supply. You can see I am switching on the three-phase supply. Now what I will do, I will press the start button of this dual starter. Then motor will start. Now you see our motor is start. Motor is running. Now you can see the voltmeter is also showing the reading. And now I will also measure the speed of the motor with the help of the tachometer. Now I will open the knife switch from normal position to the open position, means in the air. And now I will see how much time the motor will take to stop. When we open the knife switch at the same time, we will start the stopwatch and we will observe the time, how much time the motor takes to stop without plugging. See that now motor is stopping. So we are observing now the motor stop at 47 seconds. We will note down this time in the observation table. Time required to speed 0 without plugging is 47 seconds. Now we will press the stop button of the dual starter and we will switch off the main three-phase supply. After switching off the three-phase supply, we will move this knife switch to the normal position. And one thing I want to say, that during the whole practical don't touch this live part of this knife switch. So you may get the electric shock. So avoid touching this terminal of the knife switch during when the supply is switched on. Now to perform the plugging operation, we will again switch on the MCB 3-phase supply. After switching on the 3-phase supply, we will again press the start button of the dual starter. So now you can see the motor is again running. Motor is again running. Now for plugging mode, I will change this knife switch from normal position to the plugging position. This I remove and I am bringing the lower position. At the same time, I will see how the motor, how much time the. Now again we will start the stopwatch. So we can see that motor stops running, but immediately it runs in the reverse direction if we didn't disconnect it from the supply source. And we will observe the time required to motor to come at 0 speed. Now we will press the stop button of dual starter and we will switch off the 3-phase supply with the help of the MCB, and we will note down the reading in the observation table. So time required to stop the motor with plugging is 5 seconds. Hence, result and conclusion, plugging of the induction motor has been performed successfully.